If you're wanting to do some local keyword research for a small business, like let's say you have a garage door company in Phoenix, Arizona, or any city across the United States, basically what I would start with is using a tool like SEMrush, which is going to allow us to figure out what's going on in this niche and figure out what keywords are available in a few simple steps. So if you don't already have SEMrush, I'll leave a link below where you can get signed up for a trial, and you can use all these tools and everything that I'm showing you. But basically what I'll do is I'll do a search for a keyword, like garage door companies in Phoenix, and then I'll just start pulling all of the main competitors and just drop their URLs in. And then you can even click domain overview right here. Basically what that's going to do is it's going to show us what's going on with that website. While that's happening, I'll just grab this second one here. Actually, I'm just going to grab this one for now. The other one looks like it's a franchise, so it's just going to be a page rather than a whole domain. I think it's going to be beneficial to just look at these domains. So we found the top 2 or 3 ranked sites and put them into SEMrush, and then from there we can go to the organic traffic here. If you just click on the number right here, you could also just go to keyword overview right here. That is another option, and then type some keywords in and look at what's going on. But what I find works a little bit better is to actually just pull up the organic research for your top competitors, and you'll start to see the terms that they're already ranking for, like Phoenix garage door repairs, garage doors Arizona, modern garage doors, so on and so forth. We can also see what position they're ranking in currently, as well as what they're ranking for. So this is an image link, so it means that they have an image showing up at the top somewhere. Somewhere in the images it's showing, when somebody does a search for one of these terms, it's showing their images, like modern garage doors. I guess it's these more broad terms. So we can see where they're showing up. Like these are just basic links. This is in the maps, local pack, and then we can see the traffic that they're getting from these terms based on the estimated volume and their current ranking position. So with an image that's getting tons of search volume, but they're in position 33, it's only going to get them like 8 visitors to their website per month. Whereas something like Phoenix garage door repairs that gets 590 searches a month and they're in position 9, it's going to get them about 14 visitors to their site per month. Then we can also see the keyword difficulty as well as what pages they have ranking for these terms. And we could just export these, basically create a whole spreadsheet of terms, and start figuring out what terms all of our competitors are going after. Which is usually, like, it's easiest not to reinvent the wheel. I mean, you could go through and try to do all the keyword research yourself and figure out what are all the keywords that people are looking for in relation to garage doors in Phoenix. But what I find works a lot better is just figure out who's already ranking at the very top and figure out what they're doing, and then just model after what they're doing, but improve upon it to make your setup a bit better. So if we look at the second competitor and we pull up their terms, you can see they're ranking for their business name, so their business name actually gets a decent amount of search traffic. And then a lot of the same stuff, Phoenix garage door repairs. They have their business name in a lot of these, it looks like, which can happen. But again, we can export this and then combine all of these into one document where we essentially have all of the main keywords that somebody would be searching for in this area if they were looking for garage door services. And that is extremely beneficial to, first of all, know what your competitors are doing, what keywords are available, and which ones they're going after. Because if they've been around for a while, then the odds are they're going after terms that are bringing them business, right? And so you can figure out what's actually already generating results for these companies, reverse engineer that, and develop a superior strategy for your business. So I hope you found that helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about in terms of local keyword research for small businesses or other types of businesses, don't hesitate to reach out. You can just drop your questions in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to get back to them there.
If you're like most new business owners, you're probably struggling to get your online presence established, let alone get it to the point where it's bringing you a consistent flow of customers, right? So that's why I created this free course where I actually walk you step by step through the whole process of setting up your online presence. This is the same process we've been using for our clients for over a decade at one of my agencies. And essentially, I'm going to show you how to set up an SEO-friendly business name right from the get-go, how to develop your website really quickly and easily, how to set up your Google Maps listing, start getting some Google reviews, everything you need in order to have a substantial online presence where people can actually start finding you and purchasing your products or services. The best part is I'm going to show you how to do it in under a couple of hours and all for less than 50 bucks. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below where you can get signed up today. Make sure to check this course out for free right now because I'm probably going to start charging for this at some point in the future. All right, I'll see you on the other side.